Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. And here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, as you know, for eye surgery you have an ophthalmologist. For your nose infections you have an ENT specialist. For your joints and bones you have an orthopedic. But in dentistry, does this branches do exist? Are you seeing a right dentist for your right concern? Are you going to a right dentist for your major problems? So friends, come. Today I am going to tell you what all are the specialties which are available in the dental field and what problems are dealt with what doctor or what specialist. So, the first and the most common problems are the root canals. So, root canals are treated by an endodontist. So, this endodontist this endodontist is a person or a dentist who has done his specialization in root canals, in aesthetic dentistry, that is designing your smile, changing up your smiles, and he does fillings, minor tooth changes, cleans up your black teeth, etc. fields. So if you have root canals, then ask for an endodontist. He or she will be the right person to deal with. Now, the next field is crooked teeth dealer. Yes, you know him, I think. He is called as an orthodontist. So an orthodontist is a person who gives you braces. Then there might be invisible or with the metal ones. But the dentist who treats your crooked teeth and gives you and straighten up all your smiles is called as an orthodontist. Now, you have done a root canal or wanting to replace your few missing teeth. Then, to give you a new cap, new replacements of teeth, implants, all these are the fields or the expertise of a prosthodontist. So, he is a person who is going to give you artificial or false teeth basically. Now, if you have any gums issue, your gums have become swollen up, they have bleeding, you have some foul smell from your mouth, then a periodontist is a person. Now, periodontists are also the people who place implants in your mouth. So, periodontist is a dentist who deals with your soft tissues and the gums. And they help your teeth basically to stay in their right place because they deal with the base of the tooth. Now, if you want to get removed of your unwanted tooth, some damaged root piece or your wisdom tooth, then an oral surgeon is the person to deal with. If you have met an accident, want to undergo some jaw surgeries, some sinus lift procedures, etc., which deals with the bones, then oral surgeon is the person. So, a dentist who deals with these surgeries of the mouth is called as an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Now, there are a few other fields also, like if you have some pathologies, like some lesion, some whiteness, some fungus in the mouth, some black scary thing, then like mouth cancers, all this are dealt and diagnosed by an oral pathologist. Is not directly a dentist whom you will be talking to. Your mediator dentist will be taking you to him or her. Now, then there are dental x-rays, like you have full mouth x-rays, you have single x-rays, you have different angles from which the x-rays are taken to know what exactly has happened inside your mouth. So for this you have an oral radiologist who shoots and diagnoses the problems in your mouth. Then you have a community dentist who gives you basically the survey and who be a community helper in short terms. So these are the fields in which dentist plays a major role. So if you are under a mistake that there is only one dentist and only one master degree for dentist, you are wrong, my friends, because now you have been enlightened up that there are 7 different branches in the field of dentistry too. If you are visiting an MDS, that is a Masters of Dental Surgeon, then do definitely ask them what kind of mastery have you done and make sure that you visit or get your treatment done from the right dentist. So now you must also be having a question, then what does a bachelor dentist do? So we bachelors have been trained in treating all of this, but at one certain level. If you have some complications, some extra effort or some extra care that is required, then we definitely call this masters up and get you patients treated from them. So friends, I am Dr. Mansi Shah and I keep on posting videos related to your oral health and give you oral health care tips on Mondays and on Thursdays. If you have been liking my videos and my channel, then make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Wishing you all a very happy and a healthy smile. Stay oral fit. Thank you.